Saturday, wanted to call, but I never know what to say. Taking pictures with my phone, distracting me from my brain. It's 2 p.m. You said just friends. The fuck happened? Yeah, I dreamed I had a million things to hold me over till you call, you call, you call. And now you're somewhere with someone else, and I've got nobody at all to break my fall. I told myself it'd be forever. You surprised me on my worst days. Now you're keeping me on my toes, saying you're on the way. It's 3 a.m. My brain is spent. The fuck is happening? I dreamed I had a million things to hold me over till you call, you call, you call. And now you're somewhere with someone else, and I've got nobody at all to break my fall.
Fill me up to break me down. I let you just to entertain the thought you're not too far gone, when I know that you'll never change. Fill me up to break me down. I let you just to entertain the thought you're not too far gone,
when I know that you'll never change. I dreamed I had a million things to hold me over till you call, you call, you call. And sleeping upside down on my couch, it isn't helping at all, at all, at all. We were 30,000 feet, so tell me why you have to make me feel so small, so small, so small. And now you're somewhere with someone else, and I've got nobody at all to break my fall.
Baby, put it down on me. At this time you're all I need. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. They have these curtains, I know for certain you'll give me clarity. And I feel that whatever's lurking, I think it's working. You got the spell on me, and you know that I'm the type to just roll with it. Don't need fancy for cold living. All I want is your caregiving, red feeling. I just wanna keep you up to the morning, do a little exploring. Love me good till it's pouring. time. Just say I'm yours, you're mine. Ain't got nothing to hide. If you come to my side, I'll put you on it right. And if you need a sign, could see a lullaby. Anything comes, anything goes. Now I got you, never let go. Better hit nice if you ain't go. Let me give you a little inspo. Better fulfill my fantasies. Gotta see if you're into me. Maybe we'll make a symphony. Sing for me, baby, put it down for me. Have this time you're all I need. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. You're my cup of coffee in the morning, morning, morning. I guess running into you was by chance, but it was nice to ask you how you've been. I had to go cause I was late as always. You said tomorrow meet me at the cafe. And I was old friends, regrets, turn up loose ends, apologies I thought I'd never get. And it was a whirlwind of emotions, caught up in a moment. No, I shouldn't, but I still said yes. It was supposed to be just coffee, so why do we keep talking? You and I are never good at saying goodbye. It was supposed to be some closure, so why am I coming over? I keep promising myself this is the last time. I lay awake with his arms around my body. We said it was supposed to be just coffee. Why did you have to admit that you still want me? We said it was supposed to be just coffee. I said to you, what's the harm in this? Going against all my better judgment. We talked for hours till it got too late. You said my place is just a few blocks away. And it was old friends, regrets, turn up loose ends, apologies I thought I'd never get. And it was a whirlwind of emotions, caught up in a moment. No, I shouldn't, but I still said yes. It was supposed to be just coffee, so why do we keep talking? You and I are never good at saying goodbye. It was supposed to be some closure, so why am I coming over? I keep promising myself this is the last time. I lay awake with his arms around my body. We said it was supposed to be just coffee. Why did you have to admit that you still want me? We said it was supposed to be just coffee. It was supposed to be, it was supposed to be, it was supposed to be just coffee. Your hands all over me, repeating history. Is this too good to be? Just stop me. It was supposed to be, it was supposed to be, it was supposed to be just coffee. Your hands all over me, so hot I couldn't breathe. I keep telling myself it was just coffee. So why do we keep talking? You and I were never good at saying goodbye. It was supposed to be some closure, so why am I coming over? I keep promising myself this is the last time. I lay awake with his arms around my body. We said it was supposed to be just coffee. Why did you have to admit that you still want me? We said it was supposed to be just coffee. I don't even notice the rain. I'm on fire whenever you call.